Rain, rain, go away today. The garden lane is bright and gay. Flowers bloom in sunny rays, dancing softly in the haze. Butterflies flit from leaf to leaf, spreading colors beyond
they're so
belief.
pretty.
Paths are dry for children's feet, skipping along in playful beat. The breeze drifts gently through the day, turning petals where they lay. A garden lane for fun and play. Rain, rain, go away today. The garden lane is bright and gay. Flowers bloom in sunny rays, dancing softly in the haze. Butterflies flit from leaf to leaf, spreading colors beyond belief. Paths are dry for children's feet, skipping along in playful beat. The breeze drifts gently through the day, turning petals where they lay. A garden lane for fun and play. By the river bend so wide, farm animals step side by side. Cows waded gently near the stream, ducks
Come on,
splashed water
everyone, let's
with
go
a
this
gleam.
way.
Horses trotted along the grass, sheep bleated as they slowly passed. Chickens pecked near shaded trees, goats climbed rocks with graceful ease. All together, friends so near, laughing in the morning clear. River bend alive with cheer. By the river bend so wide, farm animals stepped side by side. Cows waded gently near the stream, ducks splashed water with a gleam. Horses trotted along the grass, sheep bleated as they slowly passed. Chickens pecked near shaded trees, goats climbed rocks with graceful ease. All together, friends so near, laughing in the morning clear. River bend alive with cheer. Humpty perched upon the edge, looking down from castle edge. Flags above waved in the air, knights rode past with careful stare. He leaned forward for a view, bricks beneath began to skew, tumbled softly to the ground. Garden friends all gathered round. Helping Humpty safe and sound, laughing gently at the sight, cast old tale of morning light. Humpty perched upon the edge, looking down from castle edge. Flags above waved in the air, knights rode past with careful stare. He leaned forward for a view, bricks beneath began to skew, tumbled softly to the ground. Garden friends all gathered round. Helping Humpty safe and sound, laughing gently at the sight, cast old tale of morning light. Miss Polly walked into the yard where flowers bloomed both bright and hard. Her dolly sat beside a rose, watching
Wow,
petals and sweet repose. She
butterflies.
watered plants with gentle hand and brushed the soil across the land. The sun shone down with warming light while butterflies took joyous flight. Miss Polly hummed a happy song and tended blooms her whole day long. Garden cared for all day strong. Miss Polly walked into the yard.
Let's make the soil nice and smooth.
Hard. Her dolly sat beside a rose.
That's it,
watching
gentle
gentles in
now.
sweet repose. She watered plants with gentle hand and brushed the soil across the land. The sun shone down with warming light, while butterflies took joyous flight. Miss Polly hummed a happy song and tended blooms her whole day long. Garden cared for all day strong. Hey diddle diddle, stars played bright, filling the meadow with soft twinkling light. The cat strummed a fiddle under the moon, while the cow danced lightly to the tune. The little dog barked with happy cheer, joining the music for all to hear. The dish and spoon spun round and round, echoing joy across the ground. Crickets hum softly in the night. Fireflies flickered with golden light. A star meadow melody shining bright. Hey diddle diddle, stars played bright, filling the meadow with soft twinkling light. The cat strummed a fiddle under the moon, while the cow danced lightly to the tune. The little dog barked with happy cheer, joining the music for all to hear. The dish and spoon spun round and round, echoing joy across the ground. Crickets hum softly in the night. Fireflies flickered with golden light. A star meadow melody shining bright. Jack and Jill climbed Pebble Path, stepping carefully with math. Water bubbled down below. Ripples danced and sparkles showed. Mossy stones were cool and green, shining softly in between. Laughing as they climbed the hill, breathing in the morning chill. Hand in hand they reached the top. Their first step a gentle hop, pebble path that never stops. Jack and Jill climbed Pebble Path, stepping carefully with math. Water bubbled down below, ripples danced and sparkles showed. Mossy stones were cool and green, shining softly in between. Laughing as they climbed the hill, breathing in the morning chill. Hand in hand they reached the top. Their first up a gentle hop, pebble path that never stops. Bum 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 bum. Bus rolled down the
Look
forest
at all the
trail.
pretty
Birds flew
birds.
past
They're
with songs
singing
so
to
pale.
us.
Leaves were rustling in the breeze. Branches swayed above the trees. Bum 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 bum.
This is fun.
Children peered through open sight, watching squirrels and deer collide. Sunlight filtered through the leaves. Shadows danced upon the
Wow,
eaves.
look,
Bum,
a
bum,
deer.
bum, 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 bum.
And a squirrel.
Wheels turned steady,
This is
slow
amazing.
and wide, gliding through the forest side. Forest trail, a joyful ride. Bum 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 bum. Bus rolled down the forest trail. Birds flew past with songs so pale. Leaves were rustling in the breeze. Branches swayed above the trees. Bum 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 bum. Children peered through open sight, watching squirrels and deer collide. Sunlight filtered through the leaves. Shadows danced upon the eaves.
Wow,
Bum,
look,
bum, bum,
a
bum,
deer.
bum, bum, bum.
And
Wheels
a
turned
squirrel.
steady, slow
This
and
is
wide,
amazing.
gliding. Tiny snowman shook with glee, dancing round the Christmas tree. Carrots with gentle musk. Stars appeared in evening sky, twinkling softly from up high. Hills stretched far beneath the moon, crickets hummed a gentle tune. Black sheep trotted through the glade, following the path they made. Every step so calm and slow, evening air began to glow. Woolen journeys, peaceful flow. Black sheep wandered through the dusk, wool aglow with gentle musk. Stars appeared in evening sky, twinkling softly from up high. Hills stretched far beneath the moon, crickets hummed a gentle tune. Black sheep trotted through the glade, following the path they made. Every step so calm and slow, evening air began to glow. Woolen journeys, peaceful flow. Little Bo Peep climbed the clover ridge looking for sheep. Near the meadow bridge, flowers waved and grasses bent, guiding her steps wherever she went. She called their names both loud and clear, hearing only whispers far and near. At last she spied some woolly
Little
heads
sheep,
where
are you?
out from clover beds. She ran with joy to gather her crew. Her sheep returned with bleats so true. A clover ridge search in morning
there are the sheep.
dew. Little Bo Peep climbed the clover ridge.
Isn't it a lovely
looking for
morning
sheep.
on Clover Ridge?
Near the
It is,
meadow
Bo
bridge,
Peep.
flowers
And the sheep
waved
look so
and
happy.
grasses bent, guiding
Look.
her steps wherever she went. She
Look.
called their
A
names
bridge.
both loud and clear, hearing only whispers far and near. At last she spied some woolly heads peeking out from clover beds. She ran with joy to gather
Little
her crew.
sheep,
Her sheep
where are you?
returned with bleats so true. A clover ridge search in morning dew. Reindeer soared across the Christmas sky, antlers gleaming as they flew high. Snowflakes twinkled in sparkling light, carrying them safely through the night. Sleigh bells jingled a joyful tune, guiding them past the glowing moon. Stars danced softly in frosty air, while children slept without a care. Hooves tapped lightly on clouds above, spreading magic and holiday love. A Christmas sky flight full of cheer. Yankee Doodle marched down Drummer Lane, drums beating loudly like rolling rain. Flags waved high with colors bright, marching proudly in the morning light. Trumpets blared with happy sound, echoing far and all around. Footsteps tapped on cobblestone street, Rhythm and music in every beat. Crowds clapped hands with cheerful glee, watching the parade with jubilee. A marching lane full of melody. Yankee Doodle marched down Drummer Lane, drums beating loudly like rolling rain. Flags waved high with colors bright, marching proudly in the morning light. Trumpets blared with happy sound, echoing far and all around. Footsteps tapped on cobblestone street. Rhythm and music in every beat. Crowds clapped hands with cheerful glee, watching the parade with jubilee. A marching lane full of melody. Mary strolled through morning dew, lamb beside her trotted too. Meadow flowers brushed their feet, sunlight made the world so sweet. Bees hummed softly near the bloom, gentle scents filled every room. Lamb sniffed petals bright and small, skipping lightly past them all. Birds flew high with song so clear, morning meadow filled with cheer, joyful stroll from far to near.
Laughs happily buzz.
Sleigh zoomed over sparkling snow, reindeer pranced with joyful glow. Bells were jingling all around, magic drifted without sound. Children laughed with rosy cheeks, snowflakes danced on rooftops' peaks. Candles flickered in the night, lanterns glowed with gentle light. Santa waved his merry hand, spreading cheer across the land. Christmas joy in every strand. Sleigh zoomed over sparkling snow, reindeer pranced with joyful glow. Bells were jingling all around, magic drifted without sound. Children laughed with rosy cheeks, snowflakes danced on rooftops' peaks. Candles flickered in the night, lanterns glowed with gentle light. Santa waved his merry hand, spreading cheer across the land. Christmas joy in every strand. Little elves sang in a row, voices bright with festive glow. Jingling bells and jingle sweet filled the air with merry beat. Candy canes twirled in tiny hands, dancing along in joyful bands. Children clapped and joined the cheer, listening close to songs they hear. Snowflakes drifted soft and light, adding magic to the night. Our love choir sang Christmas delight. Little elves sang in a row, voices bright with festive glow. Jingling bells and jingle sweet filled the air with merry beat. Candy canes twirled in tiny hands, dancing along in joyful bands. Children clapped and joined the cheer, listening close to songs
Christmas is coming, clap your hands with me.
Soft and light, adding magic to the night. Our love choir sang Christmas delight. The fairground lights went round and round, and Weasel hopped without a sound. The wheel went spinning up so high, the crowd all watched with wind and rhyme. He bounced along in joyful spin and popped up laughing with a din. The ribbons twirled in every hue as music played the whole day through. The weasel hopped and spun with glee till everyone clapped The wheel went spinning up so high, the crowd all watched with wide and rhyme. He bounced along in joyful spin and popped up laughing with a din. The ribbons twirled in every hue as music played the whole day through. The weasel hopped and spun with glee till everyone clapped happily. A fairground fun for all to see. Twinkle star began to dance, spinning high in sky's expanse. Moonlight glimmered soft and bright, casting beams across the night. Comets trowel with sparkling gleam, clouds all swayed within the dream. Planets waltzed in quiet space, every orbit kept its pace. Stars aligned in perfect tune, glancing softly past the moon. Skies aligned it bright and soon. Twinkle star began to dance, spinning high in sky's expanse. Moonlight glimmered soft and bright, casting beams across the night. Comets trowel with sparkling gleam, clouds all swayed within the dream. Planets waltzed in quiet space, every orbit kept its pace. Stars aligned in perfect tune, glancing softly past the moon. Skies aligned it bright and soon. Packed a cake by the oven glow, rolling dough so soft and slow. Sugar sprinkles scatter round, mixing smells that float around. Oven hums a cozy tune, filling hearts beneath the moon. Golden cakes rise warm and sweet, ready for a tasty treat. Hands clap softly as cakes are done, sharing joy with everyone. Sweeter than fun for everyone. Packed a cake by the oven glow, rolling dough so soft and slow. Sugar sprinkles scatter round, mixing smells that float around. Oven hums a cozy tune, filling hearts beneath the moon. Golden cakes rise warm and sweet, ready for a tasty treat. Hands clap softly as cakes are done, sharing joy with everyone. Sweeter than fun for everyone. Five little monkeys jumped with glee, leaping high from tree to tree. Branches shook with every bound, leaves flew gently all around. Monkeys chattered in the sun, hopping, swinging, having fun. They raced across the leafy heights, twisting tails and laughing bright. Through the morning jungle sweep, landing softly from each sweep. Our leafy tree leap fun to treat. Five little monkeys jumped with glee, leaping high from tree to tree. Branches shook with every bound, leaves flew gently all around. Monkeys chattered in the sun, hopping, swinging, having fun. They raced across the leafy heights, twisting tails and laughing bright. Through the morning jungle sweep, landing softly from each sweep. Our leafy tree leap fun to treat. Candy sprinkles fell like rain as children danced through window pane. The sugar sparkled on the floor and laughter echoed out the door. They twirled around with jingling shoes while carols played their cheerful tunes. The snow outside was soft and white, reflecting every burst of light. They spun and hopped in pure delight, a joyful dance both day and night. Christmas
Deck the
joy was
halls with bows of
shining
holly. Fa la la.
Candy sprinkles sparkles fell like rain. As children danced through window pane, the sugar sparkled on the floor and laughter echoed out the door. They twirled around with jingling shoes, while carols played their cheerful tunes. The snow outside was soft and white, reflecting every burst of light. They spun and hopped in pure delight, a joyful dance both day and night. Christmas joy was shining bright. The Little Jack Horner. Little Jack Horner ran to the spot where berry tarts were baked in a lot. The smell of berries filled the air, and sugar crusts were piled there. He reached the corner with a grin and picked a tart to tuck within. Its sweetness made his cheeks turn red. He nibbled gently as he said, "The orchard treats are such a prize. The sun shone bright above the skies, a corner full of happy sighs." The Little Jack Horner. Little Jack Horner ran to the spot where berry tarts were baked in a lot. The smell of berries filled the air,
This
and
tart
sugar
is so
crusts were
yummy.
piled there.
Would you like a bite?
He reached the corner with a grin and picked a tart to tuck within. Its sweetness made his cheeks turn red. He nibbled gently as he said, "The orchard treats are such a prize. The sun shone bright above the skies, a corner
This tart
full
is
of
so
happy
yummy.
sighs."
Would you like a bite?
An old woman passed the maple gate, her cottage cozy, small and great. The sun shone down on wooden walls, while shadows danced in quiet halls. She carried herbs in woven hand and scattered seeds across the land. The maple leaves all swayed above, a gentle breeze the earth did shove. Her home was warm with peaceful cheer, a place she held forever near, a quiet life both bright and clear. An old woman passed the maple gate, her cottage cozy, small and great. The sun shone down on wooden walls, while shadows danced in quiet halls. She carried herbs in woven hand and scattered seeds across the land. The maple leaves all swayed above, a gentle breeze the earth did shove. Her home was warm with peaceful cheer, a place she held forever near, a quiet life both bright and clear. A snowy forest stretched so wide, with sparkling trees on every side. The children walked through crunching snow and watched the frosty branches glow. The pine cones dropped with gentle sound, while footprints marked the
crunchy.
sparkling ground. They
love
built
the
a
snow.
fort of
Me
icy
too.
white and laughed beneath the soft sunlight. The forest echoed Christmas cheer, a winter walk for all to hear.
Wow, look at them
Adventure
sparkle.
made the day
They're bouncing.
so clear. A snowy forest stretched so wide, with sparkling trees on every side. The children
Yay,
walked
it's
through
almost
crunching
done.
snow and watched the
Just a little
frosty
more on top.
branches glow. The pine cones dropped with gentle sound, while footprints marked the sparkling ground. They built a fort of icy white and laughed beneath the soft sunlight. The winter walk for all to hear. Adventure made the day so. La 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 la. Three blind mice ran on cobblestone. Their tiny feet went click and moan. They dodged around each crooked street and scurried past each bustling feet. The lanterns glowed with gentle light to guide them safely through the night. They squeaked and spun in playful race, chasing sounds along each space. Through twists and turns they laughed and ran, a merry chase across the land. Three little mice with joyful play. La 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 la. Three blind mice ran on cobblestone. Their tiny feet went click and moan. They dodged around each crooked street and scurried past each bustling feet. The lanterns glowed with gentle light to guide them safely through the night. They squeaked and spun in playful race, chasing sounds along each space. Through twists and turns they laughed and ran, a merry chase across the land. Three little mice with joyful play. Goosey, goosey, gander walked the trail through morning mist and light so pale. The birds all sang a happy tune while flowers glimmer in the tune. You waddled past the river bend and watched a meadow gently blend. The sun arose with golden ray to start the gander on his day. He paused to stretch and flap his wings, then wandered on through nature's rings. And morning woke up peaceful things. Goosey, goosey, gander walked the trail through morning mist and light so pale. The birds all sang a happy tune while flowers glimmer in the tune. You waddled past the river bend and watched a meadow gently blend. The sun arose with golden ray to start the gander on his day. He paused to stretch and flap his wings, then wandered on through nature's rings. And morning woke up peaceful things. Jolly bells rang across the town with children dancing all around. The snowflakes fell on rooftops white, reflecting every twinkling light. The carolers sang in joyful tune beneath the shining winter moon. The reindeer pranced through streets of cheer, and laughter echoed far and near. The bells went on
Jingle
from place
bells,
to
jingle
place,
bells,
filling
jingle
each heart
all the
with warm
way.
embrace. A Christmas time of
Oh, what
joy
fun it is.
and grace.
Look, a reindeer! Merry Christmas!
Jolly bells rang across the town with children dancing all around. The snowflakes fell on rooftops white, reflecting every twinkling light. The carolers sang in joyful tune beneath the shining winter moon. The reindeer pranced through streets of cheer, and laughter echoed far and near. The bells went on
Jingle
from place
bells,
to
jingle
place,
bells,
filling
jingle
each
all
heart
the
with warm
way.
embrace. A Christmas time
Oh,
of
what
joy
fun it is.
and